In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel your Claude paid plan subscription. So let's get started. So just log into your Claude account in the web or the desktop app, and to the left you'll be having your profile icon. Click it, and here we will be having settings. Select that. After going to settings, just click on billing. As you can see, I am having the Claude Pro plan. Here we'll be having the auto renew date. And if you just come down here, we'll be having the cancel subscription plan. So just click on cancel, and we'll be getting this cancel to stop recurring billing, and will say we can use Claude Pro till this date. And it's also saying you will lose access to Claude Code as well as co-work. So if you want to keep it, just click this. If you want to really cancel it, click on cancel plan. And we'll be getting help us improve. What is your main reason for canceling? So you can just select the reason or give any additional feedback. If you want to skip it, you can click this. After clicking on cancel, I won't be having that cancel button option, and as it clearly says here, your subscription will be cancelled. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.